Hello everyone, I'm Monica. In this video, within 3 minutes, we are going to create Firecrackers animation in PowerPoint. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel, hit a like, and here we go. Click on Insert, Picture, this device. Now select a picture having night view. Set it on the page. After that, click on Insert, Shapes, select a star shape, have 32 points. Now there is an orange point, drag it like this. In the shape outline, in the dashes, click a dash line there. After that, click on animation, add animation, click on the first animation, that is zoom, in the entrance. In the emphasis, second animation, grow and shrink. And third animation, in the add exit effect, click on circle. Click on OK. Now we have 3 animation. Click on animation pane. In the first animation, set the duration of 10 seconds, 0.10 seconds actually. Start with previous. In the second animation, again start with previous, and for the third animation, start after previous. Now right click, click on format shape. In the line, in the solid line, select any color. Here I am selecting red color. Now copy and paste the star shape and paste it anywhere and change the color. Here I am selecting white color. Again and again just copy and paste and change the color. Animation will also get copied with it. And in this very easy way, our firecrackers are ready to present. Let's play it, and you can see everything is ready, because in the first firecracker we have given the animation, every animation. If you like this video, do subscribe. Thank you so much.